Meaning of French bean.
French bean.
French bean.
French bean.
French bean. French bean, also known as green bean or string bean, is a versatile and nutritious vegetable that is widely enjoyed around the world. It is long, slender and green in color, with a tender texture and mild flavor. French beans are a rich source of fiber, vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, folate, iron and potassium. They can be eaten raw or cooked in a variety of ways, such as steaming, stir-frying, boiling or roasting. French beans are often used in salads, casseroles, soups and stews, and are a popular ingredient in many cuisines, including French, Italian, Chinese and Mexican.